Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I want to share just one idea, just one, that completely shifted the way I look at money, work, and even how I define success. If you're working hard but still feel stuck financially, this might be the breakthrough you were waiting for. Let me guess. You were told, go to school, work hard, get a job, and success will follow. But here's what nobody tells you. Hard work alone cannot guarantee financial freedom. I was doing everything right, 9 to 5, saving what I could, and avoiding debt. And still, I feel like I was just running out of the treadmill that moved faster the harder I try. Then one day, I came across this idea. You don't get rich by working for money. You get rich by making money work for you. Sounds cringe, right? But when I really sat with it, something clicked. I realized that I was trading with money endlessly. I had no assets, no system, no passive income, no long-term plan, just hustle. And honestly, that hustle was keeping me broke. That one idea made me ask better questions. How can I build income that doesn't depend on time? What skills do I need to multiply money and not just earn it? How can I create freedom and not just more tasks? So I started small. The answer that kept coming up for this was learn digital skills. Because here's the truth, guys. In today's world, the ability to earn is no longer fulfilled by your degree or your location. It's limited only by the skills you choose to build. Now, why only digital skills? Because they are scalable and they are in demand. You can learn them from home and use them worldwide. Learning how to share ideas digitally through videos, through designs, through writings is a money-making superpower. It helped me grow my audience, reach clients, and create digital platform existence. Now, how can you start with zero experience? Pick one skill at a time, like video editing, coding, designing, graphic designing, or anything which you like. Take a free course, like YouTube is the best teacher right now. You can get each and every course available here. You can also get online certified courses like Coursera or Skillshare. Practice by doing and not by only theory. Post online, offer your services to people who needs it, build a portfolio that will eventually help you getting your first client. Stay consistent. This is the game changer. Don't chase 5 things at a time. Start with one, complete it thoroughly, and then start with another skill until you're not perfect. Remember, the world pays you for the problems you solve for them. The more digital problems you solve, the more options you will get. Here's the truth. You don't need to be ultra rich or ultra wealth to change your mindset. You just need that one moment to clarify and one idea that says, I am not here just to survive. I am here to build. If you're feeling stuck, maybe this is your moment. If this hits you, comment below. I am ready to make money for me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more mindset shifts, money tips, and stories that keep it real. Until next time, keep growing, keep building. Radhe Radhe.